Come test drive the 2011 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.